Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at another rare car, which is kind of convenient to the video that I literally done earlier today, and that is of course going to be on Chuy the Bulldozer. So yeah, without further ado, let's start on with this review. So we now have to add a movie picture where he appeared in, of course, the short fighting against Materdor. Probably going to use exactly the same photo because you know it would make sense to do so. But yeah, so here he is. I believe he was released in 2020, again like El Materdor. Yeah, here is the front. Here we can see the actual shovel thing that he uses to push Materdor out the way. He's got a little ring on the front here, as you can see. He's got a nice expression, pretty cool. And of course this does not move up and down. Horns on both sides. Here is the side of the diecast now. We can see, of course, he reminds you of a little bit like a tank, because he's got those treads like a tank. See all these rims or wheels that do not move on, of course, the inside. Here we got some, of course, cars that he's most likely killed over his lifetime. So I believe it is 7. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is the back. We can see a little chain here which is dangling from the back. Pretty cool. Not too much on the back. And here is the other side, which doesn't actually have the 7 cars, because if he had it on this side then it would be 14. Here is the base. This is the, of course, Chinese release. The code is roughly still there, but still wearing away. But yeah, I don't just have one Chuy Bulldozer, I do have a second one, but this is in fact a factory custom. As you can see, no code, and there is some differences in the colour, as you can clearly see. And there is also this one that was released in a playset with Mattel. The eyes are painted on because the eyes originally came off. Yet this is plastic, as you can probably hear. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some photos like I did of El Materdor, and then I'll be right back with the outro for you guys. That does end today's video on Chuy the Bulldozer. Comment your thoughts down below on what you think of him. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you leave a like. Of course, subscribe, hit that bell notification down below. See you next one. Peace, guys.